So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a hexagonal tiling in just one tap. So you just need to tap on the create option. Now go to the 9:16 ratio. Now choose the color black. Now just tap on the create. Now just go to the media option. Now choose any video you want. So I'm going to choose mine. Okay, I got this one. Then tap on show. Now wait for the signal until green. Okay, now we can work in this clip. So you just need to tap on the effect. Now go to the search option and then right here, hexagon tiling, this one. See, we got this. And now just do some settings or keyframes so the video looks more perfect. So let's see how to do it. Now go to the offset and just tap on the keyframe, just slide it like this. Here we did this. Now come to the start. Now go to the size and tap on the keyframe. We just increase some sizes, then decrease it. Like this, like this. Like this. Now come to the start again. Now just tap on the angle. Now add some 2 or 3 angles only, like this. Now again this. Now again this, like this. Okay, we done now. So now our video look like this. You can see that looks more amazing. So now we just need to export this video like this. Just choose the 1080p, just tap on the export video like this and just wait for some minute until export. And this is application called AView Motion. If you want this application, then comment it, then I will send you the link and you can easily install it. And if you want to watch this type of video, then do subscribe, like, share and comment. And thank you for watching.